In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a video in PowerPoint from a selected file on your computer. This is perfect if you want to add a recorded tutorial, a promotional clip, a screen recording, or any saved video directly into your presentation without using an online link. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest and easiest way to embed a video file into your PowerPoint slide so it plays smoothly during your presentation. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow PowerPoint tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Microsoft PowerPoint. Go ahead and launch PowerPoint from your desktop, Start menu, or Applications folder, depending on whether you're using Windows or Mac. Once PowerPoint is open, either create a new presentation or open an existing one where you want to insert the video. After your presentation is open, navigate to the specific slide where you want the video to appear. You can click on the slide thumbnail from the left-hand panel to select it. It's important to choose the correct slide before inserting the video so it appears exactly where you want it. Now that you're on the correct slide, go to the top menu bar and click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab contains all the tools you need to add different types of content to your slide, such as images, shapes, charts, audio, and of course, video. Once you click on Insert, look for the Video option in the Media section of the toolbar. Click on Video, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From the drop-down options, select This Device. Choosing this device allows you to insert a video file that is saved locally on your computer, rather than embedding a video from the web. After clicking on this device, a File Explorer window will open. This is where you can browse through your folders to find the video file you want to insert. Navigate to the location where your video is saved. It could be in your Downloads folder, Desktop, Documents, or any other folder on your computer. Once you find the video file, click on it to select it, and then click the Insert button in the bottom right corner of the File Explorer window. PowerPoint will now insert the video directly onto your selected slide. You can click and drag the corners of the video to resize it, or click and drag the video itself to reposition it anywhere on the slide. Make sure to adjust the size so it fits nicely within your layout and doesn't overlap important text or images. After inserting the video, you can further customize how it plays. When you click on the video, a new set of options will appear in the top menu, usually labeled Video Format and Playback. Click on the Playback tab to control how the video starts. You can choose to have the video start automatically when the slide appears, or set it to start when you click on it during your presentation. You can also trim the video, adjust the volume, or enable looping if needed. Before finishing, it's always a good idea to test your video. Go to the Slideshow tab and click From Current Slide to preview how the video will play during your presentation. This ensures everything works correctly and that the video plays smoothly without any issues. And that's it. That's how you insert a video in PowerPoint from a selected file on your computer. It's quick, simple, and makes your presentations much more engaging and dynamic. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.